Hey guys, Akshay here from Gadget Diary, and this time we have this interesting Nokia 8110, but this is not the original one which was launched in 1999. This is the 4G variant which has been announced at MWC 2018. We have this banana yellow variant, and it does resemble to banana in terms of its design or in terms of its color. So first let's talk about the design and build quality. So you get a curved body this time, and you get this banana yellow color. The company is calling it as a banana yellow color. It still has this sliding pad over here. You can slide it down to take calls or reveal the keypad. You get this 2.4-inch curved display. On the right side you also have this power button which can be used to unlock the smartphone, or you can use the slide down in a case you want to access the phone. It does have a 1500 mAh battery, and it will be available in multiple variants. You will have single SIM variants, or you will have dual SIM variants depending upon the region. It also has a micro SD card support. So overall the phone looks nice. It has the yellow color especially looks nice. It does resemble banana because of its curved design, and you do get the micro USB port on top along with 3.5 audio jack. In terms of keypad, you get the normal feature phone keypad where you have the navigation keys, call accept button, call reject button, yes, no, and then the number pad. Moving on to the software part, in software you do have the camera, gallery, browser, email. It also has the Google app integration, so you will be able to sync your Gmail and Outlook application. It runs on Kai OS, which is a kind of a Firefox based OS. You get the Snapdragon 205 chipset here, and again you do have some interesting applications like the Snake game, which we saw in the this is the rebranded Snake game, by the way, which we saw in the new Nokia 3310. This is from Gameloft, and you can enjoy this game, and additionally there are more games available for this smartphone. It also has a 2 megapixel rear camera, and if you are wondering, the 2.4-inch curved display has QVGA resolution. The specification seems fine, but the interesting thing is that you do get 4G LTE connectivity, and you do have the Wi-Fi hotspot option. So if you plan to use your Geo SIM, you can use it in this device and use it as a Wi-Fi hotspot and carry it with you wherever you go. The pricing, however, is not very impressive. It will be available for 80 euros, which roughly translates into 6400 Indian rupees. That will be expensive considering that this is a feature phone. In terms of camera, this 2 megapixel rear camera can shoot decent snaps. As you can see, some samples over here captured using the back camera, and the camera is okay for a feature phone, and we don't have any complaints as far as the camera is concerned. So overall, this seems to be an interesting nostalgic approach by the company, giving you the same concept that they launched maybe more than 18 years ago, and you can again own a Nokia 8110, this time with 4G connectivity. But you let us know if 80 euros is a justified price tag for this device by leaving a comment below, and stay tuned for more MWC 2018 coverage. Till then, stay tuned, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a nice day.